What I've done here is taken a extended diving board out of the extended diving board kit and installed it onto the center pole of a regular elevated creeper. Now the mounting hardware is going to be reused from your unit that you have at present. Also, I reattached the lower ladder assembly onto the extended diving board. Now the next step that you want to do, and this is very critical, before you can use the extended diving board, you must install the extension that comes with the kits. Now firstly, there's a plastic plug you're going to find in the very end of your original base assembly. Remove that plug, insert into it the new 15-inch extension. Tap the extension into the base assembly and do that on both sides. Then you take your 3/16 drill bit that came in the extension kit, and what you want to do is drill 2 3/16 holes in the side of the base assembly. Then insert your 1/4-inch self-tapping screws into the hole, which will secure the insert into the original base assembly. Very critical that you do this before you use the extended diving board.